Let's take a look at today's cherry bomb, shall we? We've got a short put in TLT. TLT is the ETF that tracks the Treasury bonds, right? It's got a liquidity rank of 4 drops out of 4 if you look over there, top right. And then in the top right, you'll see the IV rank is 72, putting us in short premium land. So if you're interested in taking a look at today's cherry bomb trade from Tasty Trade and maybe a little bit of an alternative, then stay tuned. If not, have a wonderful day. Hi everybody, my name is Neil, and if this is the first time meeting, I welcome you to this channel here where we put on trades inside of thinkorswim's simulated trading so we can get all the learning without any of the risk. And if that sounds like something you're interested in doing, proving to yourself that you can trade options and maybe even profitably, then this is the place to do it without risking your real dollars. And then when you're ready, hopefully you'll make that jump. Okay. So you can see on screen right now that I just happen to have the trade tab pulled up. Let's go to the charts for TLT here. And no doubt it has been on a downward trend, but it has hit its low of 108 and has bounced off of that. And we're at the upper Bollinger Band. So, I'm not feeling particularly bullish myself. I don't seem to have a lot of luck with TLT, but I did take 2 weeks off. For those of you that are loyal watchers, my heart goes out to you. Thank you so much for being there. I needed to take a little bit of a break. Sometimes that happens. All right. So anyway, this trade today, we're going to use an OCO order bracket here because I'll tell you, I did take a break. I took a break. I did not look at any of my trades, and I did not set these kind of bracket trades, and many of them moved against me pretty bad, and I wish I had done something like we're going to do today. So if you've never seen a bracket order, then stay tuned. We'll show you how to do that. All right. So normally I go to the Analyze tab and I build the trade there, but I'm going to go to the Trade tab here, and I'll show you that I've got the bracket order pulled up right here. So we're going to be in the August weeklies, not my favorite. This is the trade as it comes from Tasty Trade, by the way, and the link is always in the description. To go sign up for Tasty Trade's email lists. The one that we get and we use in these videos here is the Cherry Bomb one. That gives us 4 trade ideas a week on a normal week. All right. So we are going to be looking to get short the 110 put here at $1.05. That is the mid price on that one. We've got it set to a day order, and so that's the limit order on that one. It's a mid price. And then what we're looking to do here is with this one cancels the other bracket order, saying, hey, look, if this trade is ever worth not $1.05 but 53, let's buy it back at 53 cents and take 50% of the max profit. That's a Tasty Trade mechanic. And should it move against us, should TLT come down and the value of that put goes up to $3.15, once that happens, that triggers that stop, which turns it into a market order, which will buy it back at as close to $3.15 as it possibly can get, and then therefore we will get ourselves out of that trade at a 3 times the credit received, also a Tasty Trade mechanic. So there that is. And I do want to hit confirm and send, but before that, I do want to show an alternative. I did mention that, and I think hopefully that's one of the things that's value that this channel provides you. And I'm going to switch over to Tastyworks here, and we can see I've got a different trade pulled up. And here's my thoughts on this one. So here in the August monthlies gives us usually better open interest, better liquidity, and for sure, here's the 110 put that we were looking at before. Instead of having only a couple hundred, maybe let's call it 300 open interest, we're looking at 6,000 open interest. Instead of having 9-cent bid-ask spreads here, we're looking at 6 cents, and here's 7 cents. And the reason I've got this 108 pulled up is because we're looking at 44 days, which is close to the 45 days sweet spot that Tasty Trade talks about. And 108 is at the 16 delta, which is what they say is also their mechanic for being short, a naked position like this. So better open interest. I think this is the way I would go, but I'm going to put on the trade as it is in the Tasty Trade email. So let's switch back to thinkorswim. I'm going to go ahead and hit confirm and send. You can't see that, so let me show it to you. And here it is. And I cannot grab this thing down. It makes me nuts. Okay. Well, there it is. So anyway, so its max profit is $105. Max loss is $10,895. If we compare that to the Tastyworks max loss, it's just about the same. $10,716 is the max loss if you look like to the other trade there. So buying power effect in an IRA account, where we're going to put that one, is of course the same actual amount of the maximum loss there. So I'm going to go ahead and hit send and put that in my working orders, and we'll see what happens there. Just as a heads up as well, to always keep it honest, because I believe in honesty. It's a core value of mine. We've got this margin account. I do have TLT in this margin account already, and it was one of those that I didn't pay attention to. And I got long TLT shares when must have been my short strike of $118. So what I'm thinking about doing today in this margin account is selling a covered call on that one. All right. So with that said, I will put that on, but not on camera. I thank you so much for watching these videos to the end. That does help me so much. It's nice to see that some of you stick around. Some of you have stuck around while I was on vacation. And I hope to hear from some of you in the comments. Until then, may the market be with you.